Hey, what's going on guys, and welcome to the 4th episode in my GameMaker tutorial series. In this episode, I'm going to be teaching you how to program some simple enemies that will follow your player. So what you first want to do is create a sprite. Again, rename your sprite SPR enemy or anything that you would like, just so long as you can remember it and it's clear. I'm loading mine in from my resource file. It's just a 32 by 32 circle, and you're going to want to center it. That's all you need to do with the sprite. Now you want to create an object. Name it obj enemy or anything that you can remember. Give it the sprite of your enemy and add a create event. Now you want to add in some code. And what you're going to put is HP equals 100. This means health points. So its health is at 100. You now want to add an event. Step. MP potential step. Obj player dot x. Obj player dot y, and the speed. Now, as our player speed is 2, we're going to set our enemy speed to half of that, so our player can easily run away. Check all, we're going to put false. Now, if we run our game, but first we need to put some enemies into our room, like so, and run. Then they will walk towards us, like so. But they're not very good at pathfinding the walls. So for example, if you went into a wall, they would just kind of climb up the wall and eventually find you, which isn't that good, but it'll have to do for now because we don't have enough time for it in this episode. But as you can see, if we shoot the enemies, they will not die. If they touch us, we will not die. They also kind of clump together, but we can fix that in a later episode. Now, how to make it so your enemy will actually take health off when it's hit is you want to go into the step event, and you want to do is create an if statement. If place meeting x, y, obj bullet. Now, what this means is if we are meeting the bullet object at our X position and our Y position, then it will do something. So what we're going to want it to do is HP negative equals by 10. So that will just take off 10 health points every time we come into collision with the object bullet. But it can rapidly take it off if the bullet isn't destroyed when it's meeting. So what you want to do is with obj bullet instance destroy. What this means is with the obj bullet, so the obj bullet, this just means we can manipulate our bullet object in a different object. So our bullet will be destroyed. So if we run this, you should see that the bullet object destroys, but the enemies still do not die. How to fix this is above this code we put another if statement. So if our health points is less or equal to 0, then we're going to instance destroy. So if our health is less than 0 or is equal to 0, we're going to the enemy is going to be destroyed. So hopefully our enemy eventually dies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After 10 hits, our enemy dies. I'm going to just change this to 20, so it takes 5 hits for our enemy to be killed. That's all you will have to do with the enemy right now. But you will have to go into the OBJ player and go into its step event. So, in the player's step event, actually, no, you want to go into the create event and you want to set HP to equal 100. So the player's health is at 100. So now when the player collides with the enemy, our health will be taken away. If place meeting. Now I'm going to try and let you do this. If you guys think you can get place meeting X and comma Y and the object, then pause the video now and try and do it. If you can't, that's fine. So pause the video now. If you didn't pause the video, that's fine. You can just follow along with what I'm doing. But if you managed to do it, well done. So if we are meeting at our X position and our Y position with the OBJ enemy, our HP negative equals by, let's say, 2. So our health will eventually go down. Now at the very top I'm going to put if HP is less than or equal to 0, then room restart. So the room will be restarted when our health is less than 0. So let's test this out. If we collide with the enemy, the room eventually restarts. But we can also kill our enemies. That's it for our enemy tutorial for now. If you liked, don't forget to leave a like. If this helped you out, don't forget to leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. And I will see you in the next one.